Assalamu alaikum class 2. Today we are studying the new topics of chapter number 1, a smart machine. Our new topic of this chapter is the third topic, topic 3, types of computer. There are different types of computer. They come in different sizes like desktop computers, laptop computers, palm top computers and tablet computers. Desktop computers. Keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitor. When we combine all these four things together, they form a complete desktop computer. See? Desktop computers, they are placed onto the decks because of their size. They have four parts: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU cabinet. All these are connected to the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, the standing tower beside the monitor and keyboard. It is used by only one person at a time. We can say that this desktop computer is a PC or personal computer because only one person can use it at a time. Laptop computers. It is a foldable equipment that has built-in keyboard and a LCD screen attached to it. Let's see what are laptop computers. They are placed onto the laps. Yes, laps means the part of the leg. Laptop computer are smaller than desktop computer. They have battery inside them. That means we need to charge the battery and use it anywhere we can. They are free of wire. We can use it anywhere easily. It is used by only one person at a time. It is also a personal computer. Palm top computers. Here on the screen I am showing you different types of palm top computer. They are small, handy and stylish. Let's talk about them. What are palm top computers? Palm top computers are smaller than laptop computers. That means they are easily placed onto the palms of your hand. Their size is according to the palm of your hand. Again, they use battery inside them. It is used by only one person at a time. Palm top computers are also personal computers. Tablet computers. Today we use them in the different sizes. On the screen I am showing you different types of tablet computers. Let's study what are tablet computers. They are also called tabs. We use them in our home for playing games, listening music and watching videos. It's a handy tool. They are smaller than desktop, laptop and palm top computers. They have battery inside them and that means we need to charge them to use properly. It has a touch display screen. It is used by only one person at a time. Again, tablet computers are also personal computers so that they allow only one person to use it at a time. Recap of the topic. What we have studied today. We have studied different types of computers. Basically, we studied desktop computers, laptop computers, palm top computers and tablet computers, also called tab. Homework. What is homework today? Write the names of different types of computers. Yes, in your copy or notebook, what you have to do, you have to use blue color to write this question. Write the names of different types of computers. And what are those? I have described and tell you about the names in the recap section. You can take the help from there. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.